Hi everyone, how are you? How is everything going? Today we're going to talk about important aspects of the Cambridge exam, and we will talk about very important points to remember for the Cambridge exam. I want you to think about how we prepare for it and how is it going to be. You can use this you can use this video, and the coming videos I'll talk about the different points for the geography Cambridge exam IGCSE. I'll also talk about other exams afterwards, but I'll start with the geography because it's one of those exams that are very important, and at the same time they are not that famous, and things of either you have an elective afterwards or a major and you do it, or it's something that for any reason you want to do. Okay, for college, for you good or anything else. Usually English and math are chosen if you won't do all these exams, but geography is a social science that's important. I'll also do for psychology, for different social sciences. So I'm more than happy to in this channel to talk about the Cambridge exam in general and the different subjects. I'll start with geography, and then afterwards we'll go into other social sciences. I want you to I want you to think about the different things, and also the different kinds of ideas that you have, okay, for the coming videos. Okay, so what questions do you have? What do you have in mind? I'm more than happy to answer you. I've been teaching private and schools for many years, as well as in general. That's my background. Moreover, for anyone who did the Cambridge IGCSE exams, it's really nice because usually, if it's not English or math, it's usually something that you would like to do. Okay, even English and math, they're different specialties, and it's fun because usually you did many years in middle school, high school, and it's a kind of conclusion or end to your studies, okay? And that's preparation for college. So I want to think about it as a fun activity. I know the preparation is hard, but everything starts hard, then it becomes easy and nice and fun. So I want you to have fun with it. I want you to have fun with the different topics we'll talk about. They're really nice topics for people who like social science. Geography is amazing, and other ones, people like English and math and ICT and everything else. They're really nice, and it's not challenging. That's the nice thing about the Cambridge ICT. It's not challenging. Okay, so it's not a challenge. It's actually an asset for you, a nice practice for you to prepare for college. I will talk about skills and talents that you can think about, and make sure that you are well prepared for the exam on the exam day, obviously, and also you're always well prepared for your questions and what you want to do next. Okay. I just want you to make sure that in the coming sessions you have questions you want and anything else. And if there's something I did not cover, just to ask me a comment, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Okay. I'm just gonna do in general today about the Cambridge exam, and particularly the geography. Okay, so I will start with geography and I'll see how it goes. I may do other subjects, so just make sure you look at the title of the video. Okay, so I'll have geography and other social sciences. I'll also have English, math, hopefully in ICT soon, and sciences. And the main focus will be for the different exams, skills and tips that will help you out. I may solve with you, even if you ask, that's great. I may solve with you an exam, okay? But what's important for me is not solving the exam. That's something you will do, and obviously with your teacher, the school you're in, or the center you're preparing with, okay, or on your own, okay. But it's more of tips and skills that will help you out. That's what's important, because in the end, we all study and all prepare, but what makes a difference is really things that helps us out to get to be faster, to be more efficient in the answers, organized, communicative, clear, and to get the marks. Okay, so on one hand you want preparation, on the other hand you want to get the marks, and you want to make sure you're on the right track with the format, and also with the different kinds of ways that you have, and to make the most out of what you have. Okay, so let's start with the actual exam. The actual exam are 4 parts. You have the first one. The first exam is paper 1, and then you have paper 2. And paper 1 and paper 2, they cover different subjects. Okay, so it depends on what exam you will take. So if you're going to take the exam of geography, as you know, paper 1 are the themes. Paper 2 are the geographical skills of maps and graphs and so on. And then then you have paper 3 and paper 4. Paper 3 is not a paper, it's a project. Okay, so you need to do the projects, research project that you do on your own. And you have to do it with a person, a teacher, or any person you choose that is accredited and is acceptable by the examiners. And you need to do the research project and turn it in this set date. That research project obviously takes some time and effort. I may do things about the research project, which is really important, because anyways, it's a very important part of Cambridge and the examination. So that's that's for paper 3. So either you choose paper 3, which is the project, and you need to do it beforehand, before you, I believe, before turning the exam. Okay, so this is the due date, and when you turn in all the details, you have to check on the Cambridge official website. It gives you all details you need. Paper 4 is the exam like paper 1 and 3. But the difference here is that if you do not do the project, it's your choice, you do the paper 4. If you do paper 4, you don't do the project. Okay, so either you do the project, which is paper 3, or paper 4. Okay, so if you do the project, no paper 4. If you don't do the project, then you do paper 4. Paper 4 is the research exam. Okay, so instead of doing the project, do the research. You do the exam part. Okay, it's all about research, and everything has to do with research. And so you just have to make sure that you are aware of research principles you took in high school, aware of different research principles, and using the research skills you have with graphs and everything else. This you need to prepare on your own, and if you did not take it in school, then you need to look at the resources that are provided by the Cambridge IGCSE online on the official website, on the internet, or you can get from the bookstore or from its centers. Okay, it's pretty easy, and it's really nice. You will use it a lot afterwards if you do not use it before in college, for sure, in any discipline you will go into. Okay, so what is important right now is just to remember that paper 1 are the themes, paper 2 the geographical skills, or usually whatever skills you have in the subject, and paper 3 is the project. If you don't do the project, then you have paper 4, which is the research exam. Okay, now this is for geography. For the other subjects, you just have to review the Cambridge website. When I go to the other subjects, we will talk about it, so don't worry. Okay, and I just want you for now to make sure you check this channel, to subscribe and follow me, to ask questions. If you have a specific area in mind, I'd be more than happy to do videos on. Right now, I'm going to do geography, social science mainly. I will go into other subjects when I finish this one. If I do beforehand, that's great. Okay, but I want you to follow me and subscribe, because it's an important part of your of your preparation for the exam. Obviously, you cannot depend on this channel for preparing for the exam. This is just a nice channel for you to look at different videos, so it can help you out to prepare for the exam. Preparation for the exam goes back to you and to to the school, to the center, and obviously it is uh, highly advisable with a tutor or a center to prepare. Do not depend on your obviously resources like the official campus website and other resources you have from school and everything else, and studying is great. And you know yourself. If that's not enough, you should do with a tutor or with a center or a school resources you have provided. And hopefully, one of them will be these links and the videos I have and the channel. Good luck, and I will soon upload videos about geography and other social science disciplines for Cambridge IGCSE. If you want other formal exams, I'll be more than happy to share it with you. I will afterwards. I also prepare for SAT and other ones, but right now I'll focus on IGCSE Cambridge. See you soon. Bye.